Is it green seat? दोस्तों स्वागत है आपका हमारे चैनल इंग्लिश विद अकरम में. गुड मॉर्निंग, यू आर वाचिंग इंग्लिश विद अकरम एंड there is debate once again, and topic is which vehicle is better, petroleum or electric vehicle. And team which is sitting on my right is going to speak in the favor of electric vehicle, and team which is sitting on my left will speak in the favor of petroleum vehicle. So let's get started. Let's see which team wins. And one more thing, that these people make mistake, means these students make mistake, they will make because they are learning, they are learners. So please avoid it, encourage them, motivate them. Thank you so much. चलिए जी बस शुरू करते हैं फटाफट.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I am Safia and today I am part of this debate. So I am going to speak in the favor of electric vehicles. First of all, I want to tell you about sustainable development. Satat Poshniya Vikas. Okay. So what happened? Sir, I am just typing. We all know very well that as pollution is increasing, resources are decreasing. Okay. And we all know very well that we have some limited resources like oil, petrol, coal, and some resources we have unlimited like hydropower, wind energy, solar energy. Okay, so limited with resources which are limited, we have to save them for next generation by using them. Okay, as we all know that petroleum is limited we have, and all the petroleum vehicles are dependent on petrol. Okay, we have to use as well and we have to save as well. We all know very well we do not have any kind of way to make petrol. Even we cannot make petrol. But in electric vehicles, we do not need any kind of petrol because just we have to charge them by electricity, and we have many ways to make electricity, to generate electricity. And we need sustainable development because nowadays we can see pollution is increasing because of petroleum vehicles. And some students are saying from here that why we need charging station. Tell me, why do we need charging station? Why do you need? And you know why there is a lack of charging station? Because there is a lack of people, there is a lack of awareness of people towards electric vehicles. That's why they are using them less, and that's the reason that there are there is a lack of charging station. And you don't need any kind of charging station because you have your home. You can charge your vehicles at your home. Okay, and you have mobile phone as well. You can set alarm there. Okay, and then you can put your vehicle on charging. That's it.
So hello everyone, my name is Arush and today we are debating about here on a very interesting topic, that is EV versus petroleum vehicle. So in my personal opinion, I believe that petroleum vehicle are way better than the EV because I have some reasons behind it. So one of my point is cost. Suppose you went to showroom to buy a traditional petroleum vehicle, and then as for the price, suppose the price is 7 lakhs, and if you ask for the same car in electric variant, so the price will be like 11 to 13 lakhs. So here is a huge difference between both of the price. And if you are thinking that you can recover the extra cost you gave by not purchasing petrol, so let me tell you that will take around 4 to 5 years even if you travel 50 kilometers per day. And as we all know that electric vehicles are not for long term use. You will face issues such as performance issues, pickup issues, and somehow your battery got spoiled, so you will have to pay lakhs or 90k for the battery.
As he mentioned about the brand, Sophia was also mentioning brand. Petroleum vehicles have many brands. Those vehicles are for human. When human will be finished from earth, who will use them? Because of pollution, every year people are dying in millions. Okay, because of pollution, and 35% pollution is increasing just because of petroleum vehicles. So is it your brand? Will we be able to use those brands? Of course not. Okay, if I give example, if I give you answer of Rihan Ahmed, as he told about us speed. They want speed. Why do you want speed? First tell me. Because of accident. According to the statistics report of traffic police, in 2024, more than 4,000 road accidents took place, in which 93 people died on the spot, and more than 4,000 people were injured. See the disadvantage of your speed.
So as you are talking about petrol will be finished in future, so let me tell you that science